On the top left corner, click on Resize. You can custom resize this design by clicking on Custom Size, and you can select the dimensions you want your new design to be in. So right now, if I click on File, you can see at the top, the size dimensions are 5 by 7. So if I want to change this to a landscape, perhaps I can switch this around to make the width larger than the height. So it's going to be a landscape design. And then I can either copy and resize or resize this design completely. So now if I click on resize this design, it's going to change the entire design and make it into a landscape. So your original design is not going to be saved. It's going to change from a portrait to a landscape. So if you want to keep this design and just make a copy of it into a landscape, all you have to do is just custom size and copy and resize. So then this will create a separate design. So you'll keep this design here and you'll have a new design that's in the landscape format. So if you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave it down in the comment section below. If you enjoy my videos, consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.